So the other day, my friend calls me up, so excited. Sneh, I have finally registered my company, and even though it cost me an arm and a leg to do it, I'm going to be broke the rest of the month. But at least it is done. Thinking, what do you mean it cost you an arm and a leg? It's only 175 to register a company. So we spoke about it, and she was actually so disappointed to know that she could have done it herself for like a fraction of the amount she paid. She ended up paying like 1,800 rand. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys how to get your company registered and share with you how to get the other documents that came with her package. So hi guys, my name is Ninjomi and welcome to my channel. Today we are talking company registrations. To register your company, you have to go through the CIPC services. I will link their website down below. All you need is 175 rand. The 50 rand is for the name registration, which you pick 4 names that you want your company to have, and then you list them in order of preference. They will start with your first one. If it is taken, they go through to the next one until they get the right name for you. And then you have to spend 125 for the company registration. They will need your certified ID copy, an address, your phone number, email address. So it is a simple process. It is not difficult at all. So you just put in your details on their website, and then they'll send you a form. They'll email it to you, which you will then sign and send back with your certified ID copy, yours alone. Or if you are in partnership for your business, then it's all the directors. You send all those certified IDs, and it takes 2-3 days, and if it takes a long time, then it can take up to a week. But it really is not complicated. You can do it yourself. I will link the website down below. Tax number comes with your company registration for free. When you get your notification that your company is ready, they will then tell you, and then this is your tax number. However, you have to then go to the you have to go to SARS. Yes, you have to go to SARS, and you can get your tax clearance certificate. You need your ID, your proof of residence, and then they will register your company for. They'll give you your tax clearance certificate, which means that you are tax compliant. Company profile is just like a CV for your company. You say what your company does, what experience you have, what qualifications you have, or the directors of the company have, and yes, all the work that you've done before, if you've done any. It's just really just a CV for your company. I think it is best if you do it yourself, because then you're the one who knows your company better than anyone else. So you can really just Google my templates. You can Google company profile templates, and then you'll see how to just like what kind of information and how to structure your company profile. It I don't think it would take you too long if you know exactly what you're planning to do with your business. However, it would probably take you longer to then explain everything to someone else who has to write it for you, bring it to you, and they might not have even captured everything you said correctly. So I think it is best for you to do your own company profile yourself. Your BEE certificate, your triple BEE certificate, you can print it off your CIPC website. You're already a customer. If you've registered your own company, then you're already a customer there. There's an icon that says BEE. You can click on that and follow the prompts. You can then print your BEE certificate. You then take that and you take it to the police station or any oath commissioner, whether it's your post office or an accountant, yes. But then you can take it to the police station. They will certify it for you, and it is valid for 12 months. If you don't want to print it off of the CIPC website, then you can just get your company document, your ID, and you can go to the police station. They will you can ask for it. They can give you a BEE affidavit, but then that one only lasts 3 months. CSD registration. The CSD registration is also done online. It is free. You just go on the website. I will also link it for you below. You go on the website, you fill in your details, and then you also need your email, because then they'll send you an email. You have to confirm. like put in your one-time PIN, and then you go back on the website. You just fill in your details. They want to know your banking details, your tax details, and what else? Banking details, tax, but your company details. Yes, that's the kind of stuff they want. And then you need your CSD if you're looking to be doing business with government entities, whether it's a matenda or whatever. If you're looking to be working with the government, then you need to be registered. Okay, so I used to work for this company where the guy I was working for was starting a different another business other than what he'd hired me for. So he did ask me to help him out with that, to get like a company to draw up the business plan because I was looking for financing. So I helped out. We found a company that was going to register the company for him. They were charging a lot. They were 15,000 Rand, but everyone was saying they're really good. You're going to get funding if you use them. So we went with them and they sent a spreadsheet like with a questionnaire, lots of things that we had to answer. So I asked my boss these details and he doesn't know. He doesn't know any of this information. All he has is a business idea. He hasn't done any of the research. So guess who had to do the research? Yes, you guessed it, me. I had to study the market. I had to do all the research. I had to fill in that spreadsheet that had sent. I did all the work. And then I sent it to them. And then when the business plan came through, I was so hacked. I was so hacked because I did all the work. I did all the studying of the market. They just took all the information I gave them, wrote it in paragraph form, and that was the business plan. Of course, then they asked a few things that they weren't really sure about, but then that was the business plan. So, so what I would advise you, if you're looking for a business plan, you can go one of three ways. You can either go on the internet, find templates, draw up your business plan. You can approach USIDA. They can just help you review it, and then they can point you in the right direction to find funding. And that would be best, honestly, if you're looking for small amounts of funding, whether it's like 50,000 Rand or less. But if you're looking for more than that, if you're looking for something between 50,000 Rand and 100,000 Rand or 200,000 Rand, then I would suggest that you then try find a professional company to help you with it. That would then mean they'll help you ask the right questions. They'll help you gather your thoughts properly, but you're still going to have to put in work. It's not going to be, you're not just going to say, draw me up a business plan and then they're going to submit it to you. You're still going to have to put in the work. You have to put in the work. So you can find companies that will do it for you for between like 3,000 to 500 Rand, and that would really be helpful for you. However, if you're looking for funding for like much more than that, for like R1,000,000 or over, then I would suggest that you can spend. If you're looking for funding that is much more than that, then I think it's not really bad for you to then spend. You can spend on your business plan. However, the one thing I worry about is that people will then expect, if you're paying 15,000 Rand, then they have to do the work. Honestly, they'll just guide you with the work, but you have to do the work. It is your business. You're the one who knows your financials. You're the one who knows the industry. You're the one who should know your industry, who should know all of that. So, yes. Okay, so by sharing this information with you guys, I'm not saying that you then can't go to other companies to get them to register your business for you. You absolutely can. In fact, there was a time when I was unemployed. And I'd registered my company. So people knew Uti Usne has this company and they were coming to me to ask me for help in registering their company. Most of the time it was adults. So I was doing it for them for free because my mom won't let me take money from adults when they tell you to do stuff. But then other than that, it was people my age coming through and saying, I want to register my company. You give them the information. You tell them, go to CIPC, do this. But they weren't really interested. So I did end up charging them a bit more and then making those extra bucks and writing their company profiles for them and doing all of the stuff that I've just told you about. So honestly, that money did help out. I was unemployed. I was expecting a baby. It did go a long way in helping me prepare for the child. That, of course, not everyone wants to go through all of this themselves. I understand that. I'm sharing this information only if you are tight on your budget. But if you're willing to if you have the money and you need to spend your time doing something else, then there's no reason why you can't find a company that is going to register your company, do all of this for you, and then and then you can give it, and then just give you the company when it's ready. If you don't have the time, if you do have the budget, then you can go to those people. They can register a company for you, and it's gonna save you time. It is gonna help them. It's gonna help their businesses. So please support them. And okay, so once you've got your company registered, guys, please, I know a lot of people actually register their companies and then they put them on the shelf. Don't do that. Keep the ball rolling. Once you registered, I'm going to post more videos to help you guys with your businesses, and just keep the ball rolling, keep going, keep pushing. And I really do wish that your business is going to be a success. I hope you guys do really well. And thank you for watching my channel. Please like, please subscribe, please click the notification bell so that you don't miss anything. And talk to me in the comment section so